So this bucket is to throw in bread, and so they can give the bread to the animals here, but it also says forbidden to feed. So. Good morning, afternoon or evening. What is up?
From the cold Holland.
My name is Maarten.
I'm Ilona.
And
Popping
you were too fast.
I'm like a pop-up
Let me do my intro.
I'm like a pop-up window.
Go away, I don't need you. I'm alone in the Netherlands. Hi, how are you guys doing?
It's not possible for you to be alone because yes.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Dutch and I'm cold.
And I scream too much.
It is like 10 degrees and we're in Varselder, in like a very small
I learned
village.
a new word today.
Just over like 600 people or something living here, my dad said, right?
Yes.
Yeah, you're not going to say that word because you don't learn the correct words with my dad.
I like those words. No.
No, don't. Well, that was the first time I had to cut really in because Ilona is shouting very bad words that I cannot put in the vlog.
It's not my fault. I'm an innocent student.
Yeah, but if I speak in Greek like any bad words, you also punish me.
Not nice.
No, exactly. So you don't do that. Anyway,
Different.
we're walking around here and Ilona's like amazed by
The houses.
Why?
Just look.
No.
They're so cute. It's like Snow White's fairy tale, although I hate Snow White, but the houses are very nice.
especially like houses like this, right?
Because they have very big windows and you can see inside.
Oh, okay.
I could stand
It
outside
really
and
is.
watch inside everything.
It really is very cold. Or chilly. I'm not used to it anymore.
Not
That's
chilly,
the thing.
it's freaking cold.
It is. Also, Ilona said that it's smelling very much like poop, because
They have a baby girl.
yeah,
Look.
because this is like a very farmers area. So
Yes,
when there's my. Here.
Because you don't
This
do it.
is Ilona and this is her vlog.
No, but this is something that you don't see in Greece. When they expect babies, they're doing this. Or when they have birthdays and all. Or when they have birthdays and stuff. And it's nice because you don't see that in Greece and it's so cute.
What is it called?
I don't know.
That.
Decorating the house.
No, an ostrich.
Oh, I thought it was a mountain. But then I remember you have no mountains here in Holland, huh?
It's the
Netherlands,
clouds.
sorry.
It's the clouds.
Yeah. Exactly.
Now let me finally say, welcome to the One Take Sunday.
Oh, hello guys, how are you?
It was a plan to say like the One Take Sunday is the one take thing that I take one big take and I don't like cut anything, but that rule already doesn't care anymore.
This is a windmill without the top.
This is what my dad said, so he wants to check out a little bit like around this area because I've never been here. This street is called Behind the Mill, Achter de Molen, and there is a mill here, but there is not much of a mill anymore left.
There is no wind for the mill.
Well, there is wind.
Yeah, but there is no mill.
There's no, yeah, well, there's still half of the mill standing.
Can we walk in?
No, because it has a very, okay, if you have in Greece a sign that says forbidden to enter, a lot of times there's a gate big ass open and you can just walk in. If there's a sign in the Netherlands that says forbidden to enter, like this, you should not go in, because by law you're forbidden to go in there. Not that we always listened to it when I was younger, but these days I would not go in there anymore.
But
Yeah,
we just
but
do it.
we just do it, exactly. Now we are actually looking for like a little play farm. Ah, I think I found.
That one.
Yeah, if you think it smells like poop right now,
Oh, I don't like smelly books.
I don't know. Since I've left the Netherlands, I don't know if I would miss it because it looks
would.
so familiar for me.
It looks very nice, beautiful.
Nice thing about this area is, as you can see while we're walking here, that there's like a lot of greenery going on, and it is already past 6 o'clock, so you can actually see also that it's very dark already.
It's like living
But
in a fairy tale.
It also hasn't been very bright today.
It was very nice
Well,
today.
it was a little bit sunny in the afternoon, but we were sitting inside at the kitchen table, so let me move to the other side of Ilona.
Hello.
See?
From that side.
A little
Hello
bit of
from
a
the
switch.
other side.
Still, I'm all the way up front, or should we do like this? No,
Hello
it's like
from
you're
this side
vlogging.
as well. I don't want to vlog.
No,
No. Don't walk into the poops. There are
you,
poops everywhere.
Ilona's almost. You already stood in the poops almost.
Me?
Yeah.
Oh, I saw it. No, I did like this.
Pony poop.
Poof.
Ah.
Poop is a poop.
Forbidden to feed. So this bucket is to throw in bread, and so they can give the bread to the animals here, but it also says forbidden to feed. So you want to check it out?
Yep.
Oh, it is so dark. I like this house also. Very idyllic and sweet.
It's so cold.
We're not used to it anymore.
No.
Oh, look at the moon, by the way. Oh, it is actually feeling like a winter evening almost. No, it is feeling like a winter evening. It's nice and
it's
cool.
jumping. What is this?
What is jumping?
That thing is jumping.
Those are called sheep, my love. That are sheep. Meh. So some places actually in the Netherlands have these kind of some villages have these kind of place where you can just walk around in, and it's a little farm actually where kids can play with chickens or with geese or whatever, or just pet them, you know. What are they selling here? I see something standing. Ah, it says here you can pick your own lettuce or antithia from the garden if you want to.
Nice. So you don't need to do groceries.
And you throw in here what you think it's worth to you. So everything is biological, and everything that you want to eat, you can get it out of here. This is cool. I want a garden like this. This is something that I really want in Greece also, because
this is something
just
that
like
my
your
grandpa
grandpa.
has.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So we've got like all kinds of coal. We've got onions. We've got this looks like a barber, something like that. Celery, some flowers. Not a lot of not a lot of fruit. A lot of vegetables more. Very Dutch food.
You don't have enough sun.
That's the thing also. That's the thing also with our diet. Donkey.
Smells like shit.
The diet in the Netherlands is very, very much based on the weather, of course, because you eat a lot of fish and fresh vegetables and everything, and fruits.
I would not say.
No, in fruit in Greece, fish, fresh vegetables, even the fish that we eat, it is salted. No, yeah, but we eat it raw and salted because that was the way that we used to keep fresh fish or fish fresh or whatever I want to say.
Yeah, we have to eat that for the vlog.
Rabbit.
To show it to the vlog.
What?
We have to eat herring.
Yeah, we have to eat herring.
Yeah.
There are rabbits.
Hello, rabbits.
And there are cockatoos, or what else are these?
Oh,
and they're little goats. Hello, goatie. Hello, goatie. Hello. You want to give me some attention? No. You're cute. You're cute. Oh, you're sucking my thumb. Yes. I will scratch your chin. I will scratch your chin. Sorry for being such a dark vlog
They're
today, guys.
Hello, I think.
Really?
Yeah, hello.
Oh, sorry, headphone users. Ah, okay, hello. Hello. So, parrots, what else do we have in here? Oh, it's too dark right now, but there are some guinea pigs in here. And we've got some mini Shetland ponies. Actually, I think we should come back here in the daytime again because the camera has issues focusing as well.
Nice tail. This one.
Yeah. You like it here?
Yeah.
I want to see the rabbit because there's a very pretty rabbit here as well. Hello. I can just join you. Hello. You're very, very tame. I'm very amazed that you're not being eaten here by buzzard or whatever falcons are flying around sometimes here. Yeah, because they pick up rabbits and eat them. Usually when you have like a rabbit cage just like this, they put something on top of it.
It's a very sweet one.
So like foxes don't get it, or whatever birds of prey get it.
Yeah.
You can sit there if you want to and play with it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what the play farm is meant for, right?
Yeah, but is it open all the time?
Oh, let's check it out. but you don't want to be picked up probably.
It is nice. Let it. Huh? If it doesn't want, it doesn't want.
Oh, but here, he actually has an open cage. Where are you going, Jack? Oh, you like the smell of my shoes.
Of course, every four-legged thing likes the smell of your shoes, apparently.
Yeah, because my shoes go to places.
Oh, I see, but
Oh,
I
sorry.
will not film that.
Yeah, no, it's just my back. It's not my butt.
Nah. Shall we go home or you think?
Come here. Come here.
Oh, it's not filming. Oh, can I touch it? Can I touch it?
Oh, nice, cuddly. I think this is the end of the vlog as well.
Bye.
So we thank you for watching. Because this was the One Take Sunday. We'll keep on vlogging for the vlog for Monday. We thank you for watching, right?
Yes, thank you for watching.
We hope to see you in the next one.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye. Camera.
Bye-bye.